For calculating a GCF, what we want to do is look at what number goes in to 18 and 30. So we're trying to find a number that is smaller and or the same size as either 18 or 30. Whereas an LCM that we have done in the past was what number do both of those go into. It's the same process as a least common multiple or LCM, where we will write out the prime factors of 18 and 30. So for 18, we have 1 times 2 times 3 times 3. For 30, we have 1 times 2 times 3 times 5. And what we want to find is what multiples or what factors do these two share in common. So they both share a 2 and a 2. They also share a 3 and a 3. So our GCF here would be 2 times 3, which equals 6. If we're doing multiple numbers, such as 36, 54, and 81, still the same process. We've got 36, 54, 81. 36 is 1 times 2 times 2, oops, times 3 times 3. 54 is 1 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. And 81 is 1 times 3 times 3 times 3. We find what they all share in common. So these first two have a 2 and a 2, but the third one doesn't. So 2 won't work. So we look at the 3's, and we've got another pair of 3's, and that's all they share in common. So the GCF here would be 3 times 3, which equals 9.